What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. We are back with the Civic Type R, and we are installing some Mugen Tail Lights, the most JDM hot boy mod ever on these Type Rs, and I am super excited to install these. This is gonna look awesome with the championship white. Should be a fairly easy install. I got these used off Facebook Marketplace. I didn't buy them new because I feel like they're a little overpriced for what they are, but they are awesome. So I was able to pay a little bit less than for what you would get these new and on back order. But that comes with some consequences. We got a little bit of a scratch right there that will get buffed later on. Right now I just want to put these on, see how they look, see if I like them, and we'll go from there. If you guys could do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We got plenty of more stuff coming. We got a lot more coming. You're not gonna want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. Also cool on these Mugen Tail Lights is that there is an option for the turn signal to be sequential, which it is right now, or you could turn it off so it could be a regular turn signal. There is a little switch right here that you could adjust, so let's turn it off. And now it is a regular blinker. I'm gonna keep it sequential because I think I like the sequential more. So we'll turn that back on. And it's sequential. Awesome. Now let's put these in. Check this out. If we leave the OEM light on here, it doesn't look too bad because the one that's Mugen, it's just a reflector. It does not light up. But I don't hate the look. I'm gonna do that side and I'm gonna put the reflector on. I'm gonna do that side, I'm gonna put the reflector on and see what looks better. Let's get that side done. All right, now let's move on to the worst part of this install. We gotta take these off and replace them with ones that don't even light up, but I think it'll look good. We're gonna see which one we like better. Do we like the OEM and match with the Mugen, or do we want the full Mugen reflector that does not shine? But in order to take this off, it is a pain in the butt. There's two clips right here. You gotta pull them out. That's the easiest part. And then you gotta take off this handle trim piece right here. Already took that side off. And then there's two 10mm bolts in there. You gotta pull those out. And then we gotta peel this whole thing down just to get to those. So that should be fun. All right, so all that just to get to those pieces. Took off the whole freaking panel just to get there. Anyways, I'm still really excited about these taillights. We're gonna do one side, see how it looks with the full Mugen tail light, and we're gonna compare if we leave those OEM light up ones, how it's gonna look. So let's take out those second pieces, reflector lights. There is 2 bolts right here, and I believe one more somewhere over here. Let's go find it. All right, and then that third bolt is right here. I already took it off. It was a nut, 8mm nut that just holds this stupid little piece in place. So we took that out. Now let's pull this out. All right, we got this out. You kind of have to pull it out, kind of the same situation as the taillight. There's a little clip right here. You just want to wiggle it out and then slightly push this out. Unplug it because they actually light up. I'm still pretty upset about that, but let's go ahead and put in the Mugen ones and see which one we like more. Okay, so here is how it sits with the OEM one still there. Doesn't really match, but at least it lights up. Kind of matches the red on that tail light. And here's the Mugen one that does not light up, but it matches. So I do kind of like the one that doesn't light up, just because of how it looks cleaner. Looks like it's supposed to be there, but yeah, look at that, sucks. But still sweet. But let's see how it looks with the taillights on. All right, I don't know. It doesn't look too bad. I don't hate it too much. I mean, I wish that lit up when the blinker goes on. And then that's if I leave the OEM one on there. It's pretty cool. But this just looks cleaner, like it's supposed to be there. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put the Mugen ones on since I already took off that panel. And good thing I got these on Facebook Marketplace, because kind of sucks it doesn't really light up, but these look sick, especially at night, and they also look really nice in the daytime. I'm really happy with these. I'm happy for the price I got them on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm not too mad. Well, let's put everything back together and then we'll take a look at it.